Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel Scorpio class. In this video we are going to discuss class 8 science chapter synthetic fibers and plastics question and answers. So this video is going to be very helpful and informative for you all. So stay tuned till end and do not miss any part of it. And my dear viewers and my students, if you want all the other lessons, notes of science as well as those of social and English subjects, you can visit the description box and find the playlist links and you will find all the notes in it. The link will also be shared in the I button above. So let's move ahead now. But before that, if you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Let's get started with the lessons, question and answers now. We have very first question here. Question number 1. Why are some fibers called synthetic? Answer. Some fibers are called synthetic because they are made by human beings. Example, polyester, rayon, nylon, acrylic, etc. Next, second question. Mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it has a silk-like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. Answer is option 2. It is obtained from wood pulp. Next. Third question is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So first fill up. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. Answer is artificial or man-made fibers. Next, synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called dash. Answer is petrochemicals. Next, like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a dash. Answer is polymer. Next question. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Answer. The following examples indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. They are used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. They are used in making seat belts, fishing nets, and tire cords. Next question. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Answer. The main advantages of using plastic containers for storing food are plastic containers do not react with food. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. Plastic is cheap. They have strong strength. Next, explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Answer. The difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics are under thermoplastic, plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. Example, polythene, PVC. Now thermosetting. Plastics which cannot be deformed easily on heating and cannot be molded are known as thermosetting. Example, bakelite, melamine. Next, explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. Saucepan handles, electric plugs, switches and plug boards. So answer, saucepan handles are made of thermosetting plastics that is bakelite because they do not get softened on heating. It is a poor conductor of heat. Whereas electric plugs, switches, plug boards are made of thermosetting plastics that is bakelite because it is a poor conductor of electricity and thermosetting plastics resist burning and deformation on heating. Okay, so these are the reasons why thermosetting plastics are used for saucepan handles and electric plug switches and plug boards. Let's see next question. Here we have categorized the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Okay, so you have to make two categories. One will be can be recycled, and the other which you cannot recycle it. And you have to list the number of items or products which are mentioned. So let us see the products first. We have telephone instruments, toys, cooker handles, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, plastic covering on an electric wire, plastic chairs, electrical switches. So let us see the products which will be coming under can be recycled. So we can write telephone instruments, plastic toys, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, plastic chairs, and carry bags. So this can be recycled. Now let's see the products which cannot be recycled. So products are cooker handles, plastic covering on an electric wire, electrical switches. Okay, so these products cannot be recycled. So we have categorized and the answer is here. Let's move to the next one. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. Answer. Rana should buy shirts made from cotton. This is because cotton is a good absorber of water. It can soak the sweat coming out of our body and expose it to the environment. Whereas synthetic fibers do not absorb sweat and stick to the body, making one feel uncomfortable. Okay, so that's the reason you're advising cotton shirts because it can absorb your sweat and it is making you feel comfortable. Okay, let's go to the next question. Give examples to show that plastics are non corrosive in nature. Answer. Plastics are non-corrosive in nature. They usually do not react with most substances. Examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. A wide range of chemicals is stored in plastic containers. Food items are stored in plastic containers. Medicines usually come packed in plastic sachets and bottles. Okay, next question. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. Answer. No. The handle and bristles of a toothbrush should not be made of the same materials because the handle of the toothbrush must be hard and thus is made of thermosetting plastic, whereas bristles of a toothbrush are made up of nylon, which is soft, flexible, and strong. Next question. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Answer. Plastic takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burned easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. Therefore, avoid the use of plastics as far as possible. The plastics garbage should be recycled. Next, we have matched the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in the column B. So here we have correct answers matched in column B part. So let's see. First one, polyester. And the answer is fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Next, Teflon, used for making non-stick cookware. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. Okay, so these are the correct answers which are written in front of the questions. So we are done with match the following. Let's move to the next one. Manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. Comment. Answer. Synthetic fibers are obtained by chemical processing of petrochemicals and not from fibers obtained from plant and animal sources. Hence, we do not have to cut trees from manufacturing synthetic fibers and thus forests are conserved. Next, describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is poor conductor of electricity. Take a dry cell to connect conducting wires and electric bulb with it, keeping a gap of 5 cm between two ends A and B of conducting wires in the circuit. Place an object of thermoplastic in the gap, making sure that it touches the ends of the wires and thus the circuit is completed. The bulb does not light up. However, if the thermoplastic object is removed from the circuit and ends A and B are joined, then the bulb glows up. This shows that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay, so this is an activity you're describing. We have a diagram for you all which will make you understand more clearly. So you have read the theory part. Let's observe the diagram here. You have a metal sheet and a thermoplastic sheet over there, and you can see a glowing bulb, and you can also see a bulb not glowing because of thermoplastic being inserted there. So hope this will clear your answer which you have read just now. So with this, we come to an end with the question and answers of this chapter. I hope these answers were helpful and informative for you all. And this video, if you found it helpful and if you liked it, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.